What's going on, guys? Mace the Barber coming at you guys with another video. Today's gonna be a little vlog. I have a day off today, but my boy needs a cut, so we're headed to the shop right now to go get my clippers, and then we're gonna head over and do a house call. So catch you guys there. Yep.
What up, Negro?
What's up?
Oh my god. Good morning. Good, bro.
What's up?
I have a mask on.
Yeah, go put it on.
What are you doing?
Yeah, anything to say? How you feeling the cut?
Yo, as always, perfect. Making me look clean. Something to say to the fans. Let me think. Number one key to success in life. Number one, it's the only one. Never cheat on Mace the Barber, ever. I've learned my lesson. Mason kills it every time. Never, ever, ever cheat on Mace the Barber, you know?
Hey, respect. Alright, bro.
Appreciate you, bro.
Not you. Take care. Alright, I'm back home now. My boy Zach on his way. We're gonna do a little workout. So right now I'm watching Simeon Panda, you know, get into a little workout mood, but yeah. Say what's up to the vlogs.
What's up, vlog?
Alright, you wanna explain to them what we're doing?
You explain.
Okay, so we were about to work out, but then we realized we were tired, had no energy, so we're gonna go get some Red Bulls.
We're gonna shotgun a Red Bull.
You will.
Where is it?
Straight. Are you gonna shotgun it for real?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. Yes, sir. You gonna shotgun it live?
Yeah. Huh?
What?
There's so many flavors, yo.
What'd you get?
It's like coconut, I don't know, like blue.
Blueberry. Shotgun?
Shotgun?
I wanna see shotgun.
For real?
Yeah. Let's go outside.
No, I'm not gonna do it outside.
Come on.
At your house.
Okay, bet. Wait, don't open it.
I know.
Hit that shit.
Let's get it.
Bang. Okay, done? Oh shit. Damn, let's get it. Do you feel the energy yet? Oh fuck. Cheers.
Yeah. Here's the kind I prefer. Okay.
Faithful and brave.
J'ai jamais quoi dire.
Hein?
Je sais jamais quoi dire. Alright, done our workout. After workout shake. Okay, little pump.
I might have to shotgun that too.
Alright, how?
No, okay.
But yeah, we're done our workout. So we're gonna call it a day. That's it for the vlog.
How do you end it?
I don't know. How should I end it?
Legally.
Do you wanna do it?
Yeah.
Alright, that's gonna be it for the vlog, guys. Catch you guys later. Peace.